something. Yes, you are. In fact, you're the prettiest white horse I have ever seen. Right, boys and girls? Look at this white horse. He's from London. London, England. Boys and girls, there's Henry. Henry! Hi, Henry! I'll see you the next time, Henry. We will see you the next time, huh, boys and girls? Henry's going night-night.
Miniature white show horse.
Grandpa, I heard you were a show horse. Huh?
Long time ago.
Long time ago. Now you have a new wonderful family.
And he's a daddy.
Graham Cracker, you're a daddy.
A few times.
You're a daddy, so you got some little baby somewhere, huh? Are you through eating now?
Never.
Never, huh? Your mommy says never.
Always chewing.
How is it that you got so cute? Boys and girls, Graham. Huh? Can you say hi to my boys and girls? Look, he has a little braid on his forehead.
Mother pig and newborn piglets.
Are you gonna have your baby soon? Huh? Under a heat lamp, boys and girls. Look, there's a lot of them. Oh my goodness. You're only about a day old, boys and girls. Mama, your babies are still underneath the heating lamp? Because it's cold outside, huh? But you can't get inside, you just gotta watch them. You lie down, Mom? Oh, watch out. Watch out with your big foot there. You don't hit the little baby. She's going to lie down, boys and girls. She's making herself a bed. There's Mama. She's laying down beside her babies. She's a loving mama. Wants to be close to her babies. Boy, Mama, you're going to have to be careful that you don't hit this one in the face with your big foot. This baby's head is right next to her big foot, boys and girls. Look at that. Whoa.